Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have my beautiful niece, Amy. My niece is going to be doing my makeup. We filmed this video like 4 or 5 years ago on my channel. And so if it's still up, I'm going to go ahead and link it down below. And she's going to be teaching me slang words, you know, what kids are saying nowadays.
Yeah.
You're in 5th grade, right?
Yeah.
So she's pretty hip. She's going into middle school next year, so she's going to teach me all the slang that I need to know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay tuned with everything else that I post, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Do you have anything to say?
Nope. I'm going to start with primer.
Primer.
So I'm using the Dior Dream Skin Care and Perfect for her primer. Did I just put it on my finger?
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
That stupid chair's making so much noise. What? That stupid chair's making so much noise.
I can't hear it. That stupid chair's making so much noise. I'm going to do her eyeshadow next. And I'm using the Kylie eyeshadow palette. The first thing that I'm going to tell you that kids use now is no cap. I don't really use this.
No cap. No cap. That sounds... No cap. No cap. What the heck does that mean? No cap, I feel like sounds like no joke. Like I'm not joking. This is serious. So, no cap in a sentence. Like if you're mad at somebody and you're fighting, would you say like, I'm so blown at you, no cap?
Yeah. No cap means like no lie. Like it's serious.
Ooh, no lie.
Yeah.
So, what? Ooh, I love that shadow.
Next, I'm going in with obsidian. Is that how you say it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to do like a cut crease. Is that what it's called?
Ooh, I love cut creases because I don't have my own crease, so I always have to cut it because my eyes are really hooded. Dang, girl, you upgraded, honey. When you did my makeup for the first time, oh my gosh, I can't believe you're so big.
It's okay if you like messed up a little bit because like you could clean it off when you're done.
What's the best thing about being 10?
Being 10, understanding more than I did before.
I don't remember when I was 10.
Can't remember what I ate yesterday. I'm so bad at remembering stuff.
Me too. I have bad memory. This is my nephew that we did the spicy noodle challenge with, and he's now... You're so big! Remember when we did the spicy noodle challenge? Where are you guys getting food from?
What you want?
If we get Taco Bell, 2 chalupas, because I won't eat them.
Alright.
Okay. Well, I have a question for you.
Ooh.
Okay, what do you think about the word that I said so far?
The word?
Yeah.
You definitely caught me by surprise because I never really heard that word.
Really?
Yeah. I think I've seen it on social media before, but I've never like heard someone use it. So how about I tell you what slang was when I was in elementary school?
Okay, I want to
So
hear.
instead of saying no cap, we would say
No lie.
no joke, no lie. That's how it was. There was no... What does cap mean? You know what my theory is? No cap. You know when people take their hats off?
Yeah.
They mean business. They mean like, I'm showing respect. Like I'm serious, you know? When you walk into a room that has important people in it, you take your hat off because you're paying respect. You're being serious. So maybe it means no cap. Like I would take my hat off right now if I had one. No cap.
Every time I hear that, I think about like the cap of a water bottle. I don't know why.
Eric said, what are we doing? So let's send him a picture of us. Something about my niece. She's so mature for a 10-year-old. Like, she does not try to fit in. She just do her. She just go to school and do you, right?
Yeah.
You don't get time. She'll come home talking about school drama and she'll be so, like, over it because she's not. You're not about that life, right? The drama.
I don't really like getting involved in drama. I don't remember the last time I got involved in drama.
That's great.
I think it was last year.
For those 10-year-olds watching, how do you stay out of drama?
Somebody will be telling me about something or like sending me to go tell this person that or the other person this. I just won't.
That's a whole life mood. Don't get involved. Just don't.
Do it. Just don't do it.
That's it. Great job. I'm gonna live by that rule.
I'm gonna use this Lauren Paris, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I still can't read.
Replay. You can't read yet.
I can read, it's just not that much word.
I can read. It's just
not that much.
I love you. I like a lot of foundation, honey.
Really?
Yeah.
A lot of coverage.
I love the coverage. Okay, so what's slang word number 3?
The next one's canceled.
Canceled.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, I know that one.
Yeah.
Who are we canceling right now? Who's canceled? In your
In my life right now.
in your life, yeah.
My
Who's
life.
canceled?
I don't know.
What I like is, well, I don't really like it because I don't talk like this, but it's funny when other people, when they use that, like, it's canceled, but, like, not towards people, but towards objects.
Yeah.
Like
this
if,
thing is like this makeup thing is canceled.
yeah, this taco is canceled.
Like,
bruh.
it's just done. Like, I can't anymore.
Yeah, it's like it's not it. That's so funny. What do you think about canceled culture?
What do you mean about canceled culture?
Like the fact that people can get canceled so fast. Do you think that's a fair thing, or?
I don't think that's right because of they don't really. Most of the time they don't know what's going on, and they'll just assume stuff, and they'll be wrong.
Yeah.
And then they'll say that they're canceled. So most of the time, I think it's wrong.
I think canceled culture is so dumb because you don't know the full story. You're judging someone off the internet. And it's sad because people make mistakes.
It's literally, and some people try canceling other people, like Cole did with Austin, and then he just got involved in too much drama that he wasn't involved with.
Yeah, like you just insert yourself in situations.
He came out of nowhere for no reason.
No cap.
No cap. Little pro move over here. Something that I've heard in the past that's not really a thing anymore is Gucci. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm not supposed to.
Gucci, like, I'm Gucci. So that just means I'm good. Like, I'm alright.
It's just kind of cringy because I never used it.
I think when I was in high school, that word was being used a lot too.
Really?
So, yeah. I'm familiar with that slang term. When you finish school, what do you want to go to college for? Do you want to go to college is the question.
Yeah, I do want to go to college. Well, when I grow up, I want to be a lawyer. I want to be either an immigration lawyer or a district attorney.
Get it, girl! You're going to change the world, honey.
But I'm probably going to study criminal justice or something.
Just like your aunt.
Yes. So I finished foundation.
Foundation.
Then concealer.
Concealer.
So another slang word, is sus.
Sus.
Yeah.
That's a abbreviation for suspect, which in criminal justice is someone of interest. So, just kidding. Suspect means like untrustworthy. Like, this macaroni and cheese is sus. You know, like it's not cooked all the way or something. How would you use it in a sentence?
This kid is acting sus.
Ooh. You got kids acting sus around you?
No, not really.
Better not. What's slang word number 4?
Receipts.
Receipts. Show me the receipts.
Yes!
I know that. That's my sentence. Show me the receipts. Show me the proof. Show me the bread that's in the pudding. I don't know. So what's next on the face?
On the face, I'm gonna wait till that so I can put that back.
Oh, you're baking right now. Yeah. That's what you're doing. Okay.
It's something else that I heard that I know is kind of popular around my school at least is me and my friend do it a lot. Because these kids will be talking about stuff, and then this one kid at school calls me a visco girl, and I'll be like this.
What does that mean?
That's kind of like, I don't want to be talked to, like ignored, like.
Like that?
Yeah. Literally how.
Wait,
I
saying
do it.
that.
Like that.
And do they respect that? Do they stop talking to you?
Yeah, most of the time.
Okay, good.
Another slang word would be shook.
Shuck.
Sister shook.
Sister shook.
I'm so bad at this because it'll be like right here and then down here.
That's alright.
I've never bronzed before, like on somebody else.
Ooh, girl, you really sister snatched me.
That was another word, sister snatch.
Sister snatch. Nice good on you.
So there's 2 different ways that I've heard this people pronounce it. Anastasia or Anastasia.
Anastasia.
Anastasia. Use this on Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I can't read cursive.
Amrezy. I don't know what I'm gonna do when you grow up. Like when you start dating and for your quince you have a chambelán. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I'm probably gonna have that be Chris.
No way.
because I don't want it to be a boy that later on I would break up with, and it's gonna be awkward.
Yeah, we don't got time for that.
We don't have time.
We don't have the time.
We don't have the time in the world. And the next word is high-key. It was high-key.
High-key.
Yeah.
High-key. I really like this makeup high-key. Why do people have to be high-key?
So high-key means like that people can notice that you're lying or something.
My sentence makes sense though. I really like this makeup high-key. How would you use that in a sentence?
I high-key don't like the reflection of the...
This literally happens to me every day.
I high-key don't like the ring light in my glasses. I don't know if I was using that.
No, that's good. Should I put the lipstick on?
Yeah, I'm not good at putting on lipstick.
Yeah, I know, right? Me either.
Yeah.
Seriously, when I do people's makeup, I don't do this.
Yeah.
This actually looks really good, Amy. Well, I am very impressed because I'm a lot more hip than I thought that I was.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
You did a great job. Thank you for being on my channel. You're the sweetest angel of all time.
Thank you for having me. So, I finished my aunt's makeup.
Here it is. Beautiful, beautiful.
That's all we have for you guys today. Make sure to subscribe.
Hey.
Like, and do that stuff that YouTubers say. Bye.
Make sure you're looking here and just a reminder.
Can you just turn the volume down to whatever that is?
Breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Papá. ¿Puedes bajarle un poquito? Ya casi vamos a terminar. Thank you.